Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how I take data about my YouTube channel and I transform that data into a brand new idea by the very end of the video that is going to probably get me a lot of views. So stay tuned to the end to see what happens. So recently, I was approved for monetization on YouTube just literally a couple days ago. You can see up here that I've made $19.80 already, which, you know, isn't a lot of money, but I could get a pizza or something, right? I think it was like 3 or 4 days. And I expect that over time, each day will actually go up. So hopefully this thing will grow, right? But that's not what I'm here to show you guys today. What I'm here to show you is basically I have all my analytics data here, right? And I want to maybe come up with some more video ideas or just analyze my data in some way. And this is good for any data you may have. Maybe you have a party to plan. Maybe you have work data, spreadsheets, all kinds of stuff, right? So I took this data and I downloaded it into a spreadsheet here. And I'm going to copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Now, I have the premium version of ChatGPT. This one's $20 a month. But if you don't want to get it, I mean, I think you can do a whole lot with the free version. I mean, probably almost as much. But so I'm going to paste this in here, guys. And you're going to see it's going to be real messy. I can upload a spreadsheet, but it really doesn't matter. ChatGPT doesn't need it in spreadsheet format like we do. So I'm going to just hit upload here, right? Or just send it over like a message. And it's just giving me the rundown of what this data is. Okay, this is all my videos, the ones that performed good. And it analyzed all that data that I just sent. And it says, look at this, it's giving me advice already without even asking. By refining your content strategy based on these insights, you can aim for higher engagement and revenue on your... Guys, I didn't even ask it to do that. So it knew exactly what I was uploading. And it started giving me, look at this, high-performing content, these videos. Underperforming content, wow. So despite a decent click-through rate, 4.23, the watch time is low and the revenue is minimal, this might indicate that while people are clicking, the content may not be retaining interest. So now that we got the data uploaded, what can we do with it, right? What can we do with our data? Any data that we upload? Well, we can start asking questions as if we're talking to a data expert, right? So based on this data, what would be an easy to make video that would perform well with my audience, right? We'll get that first question out there and see what it says. We can modify and adjust as needed. So here you go. How to quickly clean and maintain your Weber grill for the summer. Pretty cool, right? Okay, but wait, guys. You know what? Summer's almost over. So maybe I want to update this. Wait. But it's already almost mid-August. Would there be a better option, right? Because, you know, for the summer, that sounds like kind of an opening the grill kind of summer thing, right? So we can keep adjusting. And that's what I want to show you guys. You can keep adjusting. Look at this. How to winterize your Intex pool. A step-by-step guide. So I do have a swimming pool, as ChatGPT learned from my videos. And it's going to give me all kinds of ideas on how to winterize my pool that I can then turn into a video to help people out, right? So maybe I say, hey guys, or hey ChatGPT. All right, I like this idea, right? Let's just say I like this idea. I'm going to get a jump on the winter, show people how to winterize. But I'm like, that's been done to death, right? A lot of people show how to winterize a pool. Can you give me something about this idea that would be a bit different than usual to stand out? Also, what else could we say? Give me the best title to show up on search results, right, guys? Because we want to show up on search results with these how-to videos, right? Search results. And a great video description full of keywords and data. Okay, so here you go, guys. This is going to give us a blueprint, basically, of what we want to do. Here's the unique angle. So to make your video stand out, consider incorporating myth-busting segment within your winterizing guide. Address common myths or misconceptions about winterizing pools, such as you don't need to cover your pool or draining the pool completely is the best method. This approach not only provides valuable information, but also engages viewers by debunking popular advice that may be misleading. Okay, so think about that. So it's given us this great little niche idea, right? And you're like, okay, I can almost see it now. I can almost see it. So like, you don't need to cover your pool, or draining the pool completely is the best method. Okay, so we're gonna bust. You don't need to cover your pool. So watch this, guys. You don't need to cover your pool, give me a thumbnail idea. All right, guys. So here you go. So here's the whole thing, guys, right? So I just want to show you this, because if you're not using ChatGPT, you're missing out here. Not just for YouTube, I mean for anything. So thumbnail idea for the myth. You don't need to cover your pool. A split screen thumbnail, which we know if you make YouTube videos, a split screen thumbnail is a very powerful thumbnail. It's like a transformative thumbnail, you know, before and after. On one side, show an uncovered pool with debris, leaves, and dirt floating on the surface, looking neglected and dirty. On the other side, show a properly covered pool with a clean, tight-fitting cover, looking well-maintained and protected. Now, on the left, uncovered pool, myth, no cover needed, in bold, slightly distressed text. On the right, truth, protect your pool. So here you go, guys. So I just wanted to show you this little demonstration about how ChatGPT was able to take my data, give me a relevant idea, give me a good title, a good thumbnail, a description. All I have to do is go shoot the video, really, right? And it even gave me a niche idea. So the point of the story is that when you get your data in there, it's all about how you ask and frame the questions, what is called a prompt, how you prompt ChatGPT. I hope this gives you some of your own ideas on how to use this, and thanks for watching.